Good afternoon, everybody. Daniel Denbo here. What we're going to be talking about today is how I ranked a website for several different keywords on page one. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and it's this website right here. It's the Home Gardening Seeds website. This is now a client's, or this was a site, and I sold it. Basically, we sell seeds and all kind of stuff on there. So what I did basically, so you have an idea, is I put this together using several different checklists out there on the market. I got a couple of them from Chase Reiner, a couple of them from Neil Patel and stuff like that. Put it together, and here's what I've come up with the top things, to check. And then also, as you can see, we go through right here. This is some more stuff. Your H tags, how to structure your H tags, how to structure your call to actions and stuff like that. This is all on this website, or all on this spreadsheet that I'm actually doing and updating and consistently changing, getting new things when I come up with something different, like the call to actions. I just put on there, like, what's the best call to actions and where to put them, like above the fold and stuff like that. And if you want this website, or if you want this spreadsheet, it's a free checklist. All you got to do is go to danieldenbo.com, scroll down just a little bit, and click on the free website audit template. Now, if you want an audit for your website itself, basically what I do is I go through and I'll do all these on your website. It's basically, we're going to go through and do the complete checklist. This is just for somebody setting one up, but for established checklist, you want to go through and check all this stuff off, make sure it's all on there, go through and do your everything on here, check it to basically make sure that the site's foundation is correct. Then you can, after the site's foundation is correct, you can start building it up from there. But for me to do that, you can go here, you can buy it. I do it for $297, or you can do it yourself for free. All you do is click on this and just follow the link. It'll send it to you absolutely free of charge. So let's go ahead and get started on it. So basically, as you can see, we went through the whole thing. We went verified the basics are in place. You want to look at make sure title tags are good. As you can see, we got titles. Our main keywords have titles, tree seed, stuff like that. If you click into one of these, I like this one right here. As you can see, we got dried morel mushrooms. We do need a call to action on here. We got some other things to update on it. After we change the site over, some of the stuff didn't come back or didn't work right, so we got to go through and change it. But anyway, we have dried morels. As you can come in here and look, this is the site for it for the last 3 months. And basically what happened here is if you come in here and look at this, you'll see all the pages that are ranking. We got that page there. This here is a good strong page right here that's ranking. You see where we started this at a couple months ago. We got 139 clicks, 3,698 impressions in the last 3 months. And if you click on this, you'll see, and then come down here to queries. Right here's one of our strong keywords, climbing strawberry seeds. If we do a Google search for that, you'll see that our site is ranking on number 1, 2, on the 3rd spot right here. It's showing number 3. Now, this site was just switched over to the other guy's account, so there's some stuff on here that's probably not going to be ranking or showing. Alright, so that's that keyword. Here's another keyword right here, climbing strawberries. As you can see, we are number 4 for that one, which we might have lost some rankings because this was number 1. And we can just go back and kind of look at the other stuff on the site. The other strong, the other pages that we're ranking. Like the white buttons, we have white button seeds also, as you can see. Go into the queries on the white buttons, you can see the button mushroom seeds. Is ranking, was on the top 2 or 3, I do believe. Let's see where it's at now. That's number 1 now. So as you can see, this one here is number 1. So basically what we did to do this is we get this page to the first top side of the website here, top page of the website. We went through here and basically did everything on here. We made sure we added the page at 300 to 500 words of content. You got one link pointing to the main page from your server's pages or from any of your other pages. Went through basically and checked all your checklist off. So once you got your domain set up, if you're just a new guy learning how to do this, you get your domain set up, you click that. That's going to cross that out. So that's done. Go down through set up your cPanel. That's done. You add your logo. That's all done. It's very interactive. All you got to do is if you didn't finish it, just unfinish it. If you got notes, just type over here, needs finished. Something like that, so you can make a note of it. You can see exactly what's done and what's not done. And then you can go over here to your page titles. Put all your page titles in here. So if you got, 10 keywords you're ranking for, say for lemon trees, for example, and your keyword is going to be how to grow lemon trees in your backyard, for example, as an example, that would be one of your headings. You can use that for a heading. So you just want to put all your page titles in here. This could be your lemon tree one. This could be your other one here. Okay, just so you know that the page title is shown in the SERPs, the search engine results page. As you can see, the page title, white button mushroom seeds. It's also shown in the header, but it's not on the page itself. So if you go to this page, if you click into this page, it says right here, white button mushroom seeds. Well, see, I've got the header and the title, the exact same thing. See, this is basically, you got an H1, which is your white button mushroom seeds, and then you've got a header title, which is probably the exact same thing as you can see here. So we have an H1 and we have a header title. Let's go see. View page source. Let's see what the H1 is. I'll show you. Control F for find the H1. The H1 is white button mushroom seeds, and then we just go Control T, title, and or the heading. The heading is, we don't even have one, so they're basically using the heading title as the H1 title also. That's why that's happening. So as you can see, that's what we're doing here. If you want to go in your H tags, you can see that H tag is, this is the main thing, your website design structure. Your H tags are used to explain what the web page is about, to break up the page into different sections. So your H1 is going to be, it's going to be what the main page is about, to explain to user what it's about. Your H2 tag is about breaking the page into sections. H3 tags are used to breaking the sections into subsections, in a sense. So you only want one H1, and it should match the user intent of the page. So if somebody's searching for lemon tree seeds, for example, or white button mushroom seeds, you don't want to put on here, this is, you don't want to put on this as, this is for, whatever. This is for moss. This is, moss. You don't want that to say anything other than what the page is about. Your call to actions. You want to have a call to action. When creating a call to action, you want to lead the client to the sale. By knowing where you want the client to go, you can help them get there. You want to use action words so people know that you have a clear intent. The call to action, CTA, should guide the client down the road to a purchase. As you can see right here is one of our call to actions. On here we have a call to action that's a little bit further down the page. We need another one right here. So you can buy now, add to cart, use PayPal, PayPal credit. Those are call to actions. Your call to actions need to be like buy now. Call now, order today, learn more, sign up now, add to cart. As you can see, we've got a little bit of both on here. We've got add to cart and buy now. And we've got these two so they can use PayPal. So that's kind of what this is about. And I just wanted to give you a quick update and show you exactly how I did that, how I got this site to rank. And I sold it for $7,999. This is exactly what I did. It took me a couple years, or a little over. I built this site 2 years ago. And I've just been working on it in my free time here and there. And as you can see, each one of these pages have over 500 words on here, 300 to 500 words, every one of them. I had a writer write about white buttons. I had a writer write about the fruit seeds, strawberry seeds right here. I went to a page that writes, a company that Writers Access, had them write this out, had them completely write out a whole thing about the strawberry seeds. That's how these pages are ranking. Number one. So that's it. If you want to copy this free checklist, it's right here. Just go click on this the free website audit template. If you want me to do one right now, I am available. It's $297. I'll go through the checklist completely, go through the complete website, do your entire benchmarking. It'll kind of give you an idea of what it is. I'll show you right here. I'll show you what all we include. The page loads kind of slow right now, I guess. Got a couple things running in the background. Really slow. Anyway, while that's loading, you can also you can get a free audit right here. We do one free audit. I'm offering those right now. Okay, so here is, got some problems with this. I don't know why that's doing that. We do your complete Google Analytics analysis. We check for your responsive web design, make sure everything's responsive, make sure it's mobile friendly. We do a complete technical SEO check, internal linking check. We do your page speed optimization, indexation check, citations, click-through rate optimizations. Basically, we go into your cPanel or into your Google Analytics and look at your Google Analytics. We check for schema markup, your Google My Business analysis. We'll go through and check all that. Your duplicate content check. Make sure there's nothing duplicate internally or externally on your page. And just kind of manually check everything over. Check your social presence. And, if you order this, right now we're also doing this. We're doing this for $1,500 right now instead of $25. And this is basically giving you keyword research. We're setting up all your autoresponders for like YouTube or for ManyChat and stuff like that. We're doing YouTube videos. I think it's up to 5 videos. We're getting them done. We're doing blog posts. We're setting up a between 30 and 180 day plan for content. Depends on what you want to do. Basically, which includes the following: blog posts, Facebook posts, Facebook group posts, YouTube videos, autoresponders. Then we're going to do some clear, direct call to actions and transitional call to actions. So we're going to look for something to give away for free. We're going to find something. We're going to brainstorm some stuff together and put something together that people that are in your industry, whether it be people looking to buy or people owning companies like yours, that we can just kind of give something away for free, like some free knowledge, a PDF in the sense, which will help drive traffic to your site. That's what we're doing right now, and that is for $1,500 right now a month, depending on where you choose the 30-day or the 180-day plan. It all is going to depend on how many pages, how many posts, how many YouTube videos, how many responders that we're going to do to your site. So if you have any questions about that, just give us a call. You can click here and call me now directly. And if you want to go from there, if not, this is your pricing guide. Again, here's your free template right here. You can download it yourself, or you can purchase this here, and I'll run through it myself. and I'll give you a complete Google My Business, or the Google Sheets. I'll just print one or send one over to you, exactly what we do. So basically what we do on ours is a little bit more intense. I'll kind of give you an idea here of one of our other ones that we just did. You can see I got some of these from Chase Grinder also. We use everybody's and put them all together. But anyway, that's kind of where we're at there. Here's one that I was doing on my own site. As you can see, I was doing my own site right here. Kind of showing that my page speeds are a little bit slow right now, which I got to work on. I do have call to actions in place. I didn't have them. I did get that fixed. I got my robots.txt files and everything in place. Keywords, they weren't mapped. We definitely got to work on that. We got some stuff to work on my page, but this is kind of what we go through on our site. And basically, this is for Google My Business. We'll go through your Google My Business and check all that out. But anyway, hey, Daniel Denbo, danieldenbo.com. Check it out. If you guys have any questions, leave me in the comments below. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day.